Okay, now let's do the exercise 1.1. Okay, the first question, that is, which of the following are sets? Okay, which of the following are sets? The first question is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Okay, so the months which begin with the letter J. Now everybody knows that those months are with starting with J are January, June, and July. Okay, see, now you ask any person, he will give you the same answer. Okay, so we know that we can say that this is well defined. Okay, this doesn't change from person to person. Okay, so we can say this is well defined, and if it's well defined, then it's a set. Okay, so we can say that this is a set. Okay, now the second one, that is the collection of the 10 most talented writers of India. Okay, the 10 most talented. See, now every person will give the most talented according to him. Okay, whom he thinks is the most talented. So it will be different for different people. Okay, different persons will give different uh, collections. Okay, so that's not well defined. Okay, so we can say that this is not a set. So not set. Okay, so this is not a set. Now the third one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. See, again, this is the same as before. The team of the 11 best cricketers. Okay, now every person will choose according to him the best. So again, it will differ from person to person. Okay, the collection will change. Okay, will differ from person to person. So we can see that that's not well defined. So what we can say, that if it's not well defined, then it's not a set. Okay, so this is not a set. Okay, now the fourth one, the collection of all the boys in your class. See, now again, this is, see, the collection of boys, the total number of boys in your class. Now every student will know how the total number of boys in his class, so everyone will give you the same answer. Okay, the same number, the total number of boys. So that's fixed, it is not changing from person to person, so that's well defined. Okay, so we can say that this is a set. Okay, okay, now the fifth one, the collection of all the natural numbers less than 100. Now every person will give you the same answer. See, the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 100. Okay, no, less than 100, so up to 99. Okay, now every person in the class will give you the same answer, so we can say that this is well defined. Okay, it doesn't change from person to person, so this is well defined, so this can be said to be a set. Okay, that's it. Now the sixth one, a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. See, these are just the collection. Okay, just the collection of this writer. Okay, so this collection will be fixed. Okay, this is not the best collections, these are just the collections. So total number of novels he has written will be same for every person. Every person will give you the same answer. Okay, the total number of collection. Okay, collection of the novels. Okay, so we can say this is well defined. Okay, so we can say, since this is well defined, we can say that this is also a set. Okay, okay, now the collection of all even integers. Okay, you all know what are the integers. Okay, if you take the number line, this 1, 2, 3, 4, so on to infinity. Okay, and this side is 0, -1, -2, -3, and so on to negative infinity. Okay, now here he has, these all are the integers, so here he has asked the even integers, so we will take only the even numbers. Okay, so it will be 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on up to infinity, and -2, -4, -6, so on up to negative infinity. Okay, now this is a well-defined set because this will be the collection for every person. Okay, everybody will give you the same collection, okay, or same answer, okay, because this is the collection of even integers. Okay, so this is well defined. So this is well defined since it doesn't change from person to person. So we can say this is a set. Okay, that's it. Okay, now the eighth one, that is the collection of all questions in this chapter. Okay, the number of questions in this chapter, in the sets chapter. So that is fixed. Okay, that doesn't change. Okay, every person's textbook will have the same questions. Okay, so it doesn't change. That means it's well defined. It's okay. So we can say this is a set because that is well defined. Okay, so this is also a set. Now the ninth one, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Now you see, this collection of most dangerous animals, this will differ from person to person. Each person will give the most dangerous according to him, which he thinks is dangerous. Okay, so it will differ from person to person. So we can say this is not well defined. So therefore this is not a set. Okay, not a set. Now let's do the second one. Okay, that is let A is equal to set of numbers, okay, from 1 to 6. Okay, so we have to insert these symbols, that is called belongs or does not belongs. Okay, so the first question is 5 dash A. Now does 5 belongs to A? See whether if 5 is in the set A. Okay, this set is named A. Okay, does the element 5 belongs in this set? Yes, it belongs. So we can write 5 belongs to A. Okay, now same way the second one, that is 8 dash A. So 8 doesn't belong in the set, so we can write 8 does not belongs to A. Okay, now the third one is 0 dash A. So 0 doesn't belong in this. Okay, this is set of natural numbers, okay, up to 6. So we can say 0 does not belongs to A. Now the fourth one, that is 4 dash A. Yeah, 4 belongs to this set. It is in the set, so we can say 4 belongs to set A. Okay, now the fifth one, that is 2 dash A. If it's then 2 also is in the set. Okay, so we can say 2 belongs to the set A. So we'll write belongs to. Now sixth one is 10 dash A. 10 is not in this set, so we can say 10 does not belongs to set A. Okay.